This is the normal mode. This is the quiet mode. The machine is still working. Now this is the normal mode. This is the bottle. As soon as you take this out, the machine will stop. You'll get this light. Now the machine is on, but it will not work till the bottle is there. And this is the place where the model number is written. And this is the bottle. As soon as I place this, you'll get the noise and it will start. Now the machine is working. Yeah. I hope this is clear now. Now see. This is the lower mode. This is the quiet mode. Still working. There is no noise. This is the maximum dry. Now this is the compressor that you're hearing. The compressor has just started. This is the size. Now see, this is the quiet mode, this is the normal mode.